Proud featured at binandera ng GMA News online newspaper ang SB19 pagtatag documentary film in Netflix ngayong July 23, 2025. Directed by Jid Regala, pagtatag na documentary chronicles SB19's journey during the era of their pagtatag EP, the second in their EP trilogy. Okay naman, good luck SB19 at maraming salamat GMA News at supportive kayo sa pagtatag documentary film ng SB19 on Netflix. Sana all ay supportive with SB19.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.